Hi everyone, this is my first video of my C++ course. I want to teach you guys how to code in C++ programming language. And if we want to code in this language, we need to understand that C++ is very powerful and not so simple language. This language using in high-load applications. For code in C++, we just need any code editor and we need a compiler. Compiler is a special program that will compile our code that we wrote in C++. If we're talking about compilers, for the first we need to understand that these are special programs that translate user code that we wrote to special code that understand our PCUs. And for the first one, we will write a very basic program that called Hello World. For the first, we need to write this directive, just doing as I did. Now we need to declare main function. From main function, our programs will start in execution. Now, body block with these brackets, and we need to return a special value from our main function and give OS understanding that this program executed right. Now we can type this string std cout. This is special cout object that can print our strings, and just print string hello world. Now print end line, and then we need to compile our program. If you prefer Linux, you already have a compiler that's called G++. But if you use in Windows, you need to download and install some code editor or IDE. For example, you can download Visual Studio and install it. Now give compiler our file that contains our code that we already wrote, and after that symbol we need to choose name for our executable file that compiler will give us. We compiled our program and now we can run it. And now you can see that we have as output to our terminals a string hello world. Now we understand that all working right. In a next lesson I will teach you how to declare variables of basic types and how we can do math operations with those variables.